Hey guys, it's Tina. Welcome back to my channel, Create with Tina. Today I am excited to just give you guys a sneak peek of two kits that came out this month, the month of April, and they are both so good. I'm going to start playing with them, but I usually end up chopping everything up, and so I thought it would be fun to show you what the kits look like before I do that, because one of them coordinates with our brand new DSP called Scenic Coast, which is coming out in the May catalog, and it's a 6x6 pack of DSP that is beautiful. And this card kit that I'm going to show you, it goes perfectly. And then the other one that I'm so excited about is a 12x12 scrapbook kit. And if you remember, it was a year ago, I think, in May, that they came out with the Make a Memory scrapbook kit. And I added to it and made it 12 pages, so 6 double page layouts. Well, they've just come out with a new one, and you may have seen it because it's only available online. It's not in a catalog, but I was super excited. It came yesterday, and I opened it up and looked at it, and I thought I would do a quick unboxing of the two kits to show you. So let me turn the camera down to my desk and show you everything that's in them, all right? All right, let's look. Okay, so this is the kit, and it is called Painted Skies Kit. And if you remember from my unboxing video, this is the new DSP that it's going to coordinate with, called Scenic Coast. Oh, there's a lot of glare, but I think you can see that. And I had shown you guys that this paper is fabulous because there is a shimmer to the paper on one side, and then on the other side it's more of a solid. And so there's lots of different sunset or sunrise looking patterns in this DSP pack. Isn't that, let me zoom in a little, isn't that pretty? Different patterns on the other side. So I am in love with this paper. This will be the next thing I play with. I currently just finished up working on something. I'll sneak it in real quick with the Fern and Flora set. So this will be the next thing that I play with, but beautiful, right? All right, there's the next one. And then that is the last sunset. So let's look at this kit though. So we'll open it up. And these kits are awesome because they're all inclusive. I think a lot of you probably saw the video I did. I was at a football game, and I was waiting. My husband was coaching, and I was in the car, so I pulled out my kit and started playing with it in the car. So the kits come like this. You get this instruction sheet, and it shows you the finished cards, and then inside are the directions for every card that is in the kit. So card 1, 2, and 3. So all of the instructions. They even include this awesome ruler down the side, so you don't even need a ruler. You also don't even need adhesive because they include the adhesive that you need for putting the card together. Look at how many dimensionals we get in this pack. I was kind of surprised. So not only do you get dimensionals like the shaped ones, but you get the strips. And that's because you pop up so many of the scenes. So no adhesive is needed. And then we get these pretty sequins as well. And then on the back side, it does tell you what colors come in the kit, what colors are used. So if you wanted to make more, you could, all right? So that's the instructions that come with it. And I just did a sneak and showed you the embellishments, and then showed you that you get 2 full sheets of these dimensional strips, as well as the individual dimensionals. And then it comes with all of the envelopes. And the envelopes that Stampin' Up! Gives, they're very nice quality. They're thick. They're better quality than I have gotten in other kits in the past. Not Stampin' Up! Kits. I just mean other kits. Okay, so let's move that out of the way. And then let's look at these card bases. Let's start with that. Oh, who knows how they're going to come out. Okay, so everything comes in the box. And I'm going to pull it all out and set the box aside. All right, so you get couple of sheets of these die cut pieces that you're going to use. Everything is cut. Look how easy it pops out. Then you get the arches, which I have been playing non-stop with the arches die, like I showed you before. I've been playing with Fern and Flora. That one doesn't show the arches, but look, another arches. And these come with the arches. If you don't have the arches, everyday arches die, you get them. You get all of these in the kit. And then you also get this punch out piece, which is just a fun frame. Let's see if I can. It's so nice and thick. This is so thick. I can't show it very well on camera. So you get all your frames, and then you get your sticker sheet with the words. And because we are a global company, it's in English, French, and German, I believe. So you get your sticker sheets. But let's look at these card bases. See, it is the sunset, just like the DSP. Isn't that beautiful? And I noticed that it is a triple fold card. Look how big these are. And so it's going to, I don't want to bend it because too much because I'm not holding it on the desk, but look how that is going to come together. Gorgeous. So, 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 so good. Okay, that's just one of them. Okay, and then here's another one. Look at that. Maybe it goes like that. Yes, and then this, it's another triple fold, so it's going to fold over, and look at that lighthouse cut out. Beautiful, right? All right, and now let's look at the third card that everyone's going to get to make, and it's this, and oh, it's ocean waves, so it's going to fold over. Beautiful, right? I'm excited about this kit. I will be playing with it. Sometimes I take these kits and I turn them into scrapbook pages. I don't know if I will because they are so pretty just how they are. So that's the kit. I don't think you can truly see how pretty it is when you're looking online. So I wanted to show you in person and show you everything that you get in the kit. All right, so this was called Painted Skies. And I'm going to put all of this aside. And then we are going to look at the scrapbook kit, which I am super excited to play with. All right, this is it. I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit for you guys. This is it. And it comes in this box, and it says on the back, it is called Sunniest Stories Scrapbooking Kit. And these are nice, sturdy boxes. And I already took off all of the plastic wrap so it would be easier to show you. But the first thing you're going to see is you get glue dots and you get dimensionals and you get a huge roll of tear and tape. So again, it's another kit you don't need to use any of your own adhesive on. It all comes in the kit. And then you get the instruction sheet. And for this time around, they turned it into 2-page layouts. Whereas with the Make a Memory kit, they just had 12 individual pages that you could kind of mix and match and make go together. And it was more of a loose interpretation of how you wanted to make the scrapbook kit. Well, they listened, and this time they actually made 2-page layouts and gave a solidly, fully complete example of how the pages could be put together. And so that's what we're looking at here, all of the pages. And of course, you know, my rule is I have to have at least 5 photos on a 2-page layout, and I'm going to make it work a little bit more for me. So I am going to be playing with these. But that's the instructions, and so let me show you everything that it comes with because I was excited. Look at all of these pocket cards. So these are perfect for if you use pocket pages at all in your scrapbooking or if you use flip flaps. These slide in perfectly. And it's called Sunniest Days, so all of the colors are just very bright and cheery. So we've got like, I think this is Azure Afternoon. And then we've got yellows like Daffodil Delight cards. And then, Calypso Coral cards. Petal Pink, peachy kind of cards. Then we have our, I'm going to guess the spruce green. So I'm guessing, but guess what? We don't have to guess because it tells us right on here. Calypso, shaded spruce. Yep, I'm guessing right. Shaded spruce. Okay, and then you get some that are multicolor cards right here, like that. So look how many of these 4x6 pocket cards that come in this kit. And then I'm going to dump these out for you to see. Okay, so now they gave 12 base pages, and these base pages are significantly thick. They're not DSP weight. They are cardstock weight. Can you hear that? You can tell. And they are 2 pages. So you can get 2 pages that match perfectly for easy scrapbooking side by side. Or who knows, I may end up mixing and matching, because look at those two could definitely go together. Who knows? I'm going to play around and have fun. But look at these, all of the different patterns. I don't think you guys can see this very well. Let me turn that light back on. Maybe that helps, maybe not. And then this is a Darling Duckling. Look at that. You could even turn this if you wanted to have the polka dots on the outside edge of both pages. This will not stay out of the way of the camera. It's fighting me. Let's see what I can do here without wiggling the camera too much. Okay, Darling Duckling. And then here we go with the shaded spruce. So pretty. 2 of those. And the basic beige. This makes a perfect photo strip. I think their example showed the photo strips going this way. And then notebook paper. Who doesn't love notebook paper? You can do so much with notebook paper. It's a perfect blank backdrop, basically. And then look at all of the accessories. So these are all die cuts. And these are going to make pockets to slide stuff into. We can slide photos, slide hidden journaling, slide memorabilia, ticket stubs, things you want to save. And then we have a cut apart sheet. And we actually have 2 cut apart sheets that so they're not 4x6, and they're not necessarily 3x4. Some of them are 3x4, but they're various shapes. And these, of course, are designed to fit inside some of these die cut pocket holders. So I'm excited to play with that. It's not double-sided. The back side is white on all of the bases. I should have said that. So nothing's double-sided. It's just white on the opposite side. And then this is stickers. Look at all of the stickers that we have to play with, and they're cardstock weight stickers. And then sentiments. So we have these are die cuts. So we have a big titles that we can use throughout the layouts. And then we have small words, which are perfect. Lots of them to look at. I love this. I love this. The best. Really, really fun. This one is more die cuts. Now, the reason I love that these are die cuts and not stickers is because often I want to layer them and add dimensionals. And if they're stickers, you have to go through the process of making the backside not sticky. And so this alleviates that. All right. And then here we go. Another die cut sheet. And look at these are photo mats where they have the little slit that you could just slip a 3x3 photo in, which is old school, right? Taking it back to those albums where we put the corner tabs on. So that's another one. And then we have 2 sheets of the strips, which are awesome. I ended up cutting those all to pieces to use throughout. So 2 sheets of those. And then you're going to get some extra pieces that are in German and French. And so, it depends on what country you're in. But if you speak English, this seems like, oh, I might not use it. But you can definitely cut out any of these icons. You could put a picture. You could cut just the edge and stick a picture right there. You can cut out the light bulb. And then all of these cards, they're in English. But the even cooler part is if you don't want to use it, you have a solid piece of white that you could use for photo mats. I'm just saying. If you don't print your photos with white borders, you got a sheet for photo mats. So that's great. And then you get another sheet. These are the die cuts, and again, they're in another language, but like I am pretty sure I will use this and then stick one of the little black words right over it, or I might stamp a sentiment and use it, because that is such a cute little icon. And again, cut apart sheets, feel free, use it, flip it over, photo mats. And then of course one more in the language. This is the title piece, and it's in German. I think this is German. I think so, yes. And that memo though, see, there's things that are, you can use, top 10. So that is the Sunniest Stories Scrapbook Kit, and it is packed, and I really wanted to give you guys a sneak peek, do an unboxing video of everything that comes in the kits, because you don't really, I mean, you see it online, right? But until you see it pulled out piece by piece, and how much stuff you get, and all of the adhesive that comes in it, do you realize what a great value is. So, Sunniest Stories and Painted Skies. These are the two kits that came out for April. I'm excited, and I hope you are too. I'll drop links down in the description below if you do want to see them on the website. But I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and have a good night, everyone. Bye.